Hello, brilliant minds. Welcome back to chemistry class. Today, we're diving into something super tiny, but also super powerful, the particulate nature of matter. Now don't worry, we're not going to use big, scary words. By the end of this video, you'll understand solids, liquids, and gases like you've never seen them before. Ready? Let's go! What is matter? First question, look around you. What do you see? A chair, your phone, maybe your lunch? All of that is matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So yes, your jollof rice is matter, and even the smoke from your generator is matter. But here's the cool part. Matter is not just one big thing. It's made up of tiny, invisible particles, like building blocks of Lego. We call them atoms, molecules, or ions. The three states of matter. Now, let's meet the big three: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. Think of a football stadium packed with fans. Everyone is squeezed tight, no space to move. That's solids, particles tightly packed, vibrating in place. They have a fixed shape and volume. Liquids. Imagine being in a bus at rush hour. People can move a bit, squeeze past each other, but they're still together. That's liquids, particles close but free enough to slide around. Liquids have a fixed volume, but they take the shape of the container. Gases. Now think about when school closes and kids run everywhere. Particles in gases move freely, bouncing off walls, filling up all the space they can find. Gases have no fixed shape or volume. So here's a memory trick. So little gas, right pointing arrow, solid, fixed, liquid, flows, gas, free. Easy, right? Everyday chemistry of states of matter. Okay, let's bring this home. Solid. Ice cubes in your Zobo drink. Liquid. The Zobo itself. Gas. The bubbles of CO2 fizzing out of Coke. You see? Chemistry is not far away, it's inside your fridge right now. Simple demos you can try at home. 1. Balloon demo. Blow air into a balloon, right pointing arrow shows gas occupies space. 2. Melting ice. Put ice in a cup, right pointing arrow, watch it turn liquid. 3. Boiling water. Water boils, right pointing arrow, steam is gas. Change of states. Now, here's the fun twist. Matter can change from one state to another. Solid to liquid, melting, liquid to gas, evaporation, boiling, gas to liquid, condensation, liquid to solid, freezing. Quick memory hack. My elephant can fly means melting, evaporation, condensation, freezing. So the next time Nipa takes light and your soup freezes in the fridge, just say, aha. Chemistry in action. Quiz time. Okay, let's test you. 1. Which state of matter takes the shape of its container? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. 2. When you open a bottle of perfume, the smell spreads around the room. Which process is that? A. Melting. B. Diffusion. C. Condensation. Drop your answers in the comments. First 5 correct answers get a shout out in our next video. Recap with rap style mnemonic. Solid equals tight, liquid equals slide, gas equals free. That's chemistry. Change of states. Easy as pie. M, E, C, F. My elephant can fly. Today we learned that matter is anything with mass and space. It exists as solids, liquids, and gases, and they can change from one state to another. You can now explain why ice melts, why your Coke fizzes, and why perfume spreads. Next class, we will delve into elements, compounds, and mixtures, and we'll be using food examples along the way. Trust me, you'll never look at your lunch the same way again.